Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and protect your Charles Schwab login security detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Charles Schwab mobile app, start by opening the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store for Android devices. In the App Store or Google Play Store, type Charles Schwab into the search bar and hit enter. Locate the official Charles Schwab app in the search results. Tap the download or install button to begin the downloading process. Once the app has been downloaded, open it to begin the login process. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. For new users, you will need to select the option to create a new account and follow the prompts to set up your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Account Settings section to enhance your login security. Look for options related to two-factor authentication and enable it for added protection. You may be prompted to link your mobile number or an authentication app for receiving security codes. Follow the instructions to complete the setup for two-factor authentication. Consider setting up security questions as an additional layer of security. Make sure to review the privacy settings and adjust them according to your comfort level. Additionally, make a habit of changing your password regularly to always log out of your account when you're finished, especially on shared devices. Install any app updates promptly to ensure you are using the latest security features. Maintain updated antivirus software on your mobile device to prevent security breaches. Regularly monitor your account for any unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can download the Charles Schwab app and ensure your login is secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.